Hello everyone, I am Product Manager Winnie Zheng from QNAP. Today I will going to introduce what is the QRM Plus and how to use your smartphone to remote manage network computing device. And then with the trends of the industry 4.0, bring a new economy industry networking called the IIoT. And the IIoT provide the user some problems. Many traditional factories have begun to transform into their smart management and then do new integrations. So all the products process become more intelligent. So with these points, some problem will arise, such as how to control your device. This will be a big issue for the users and also the IT people. So with today's topic, QRM Plus and the TANK-870 can solve your problems. And then this is today's outline. The first one, I will going to introduce what is the QRM Plus. And the second, I will introduce how to use the QRM Plus with the TANK-870. And the third, I will going to introduce how to use the TANK-870 as the gateway to collect the end device data and then send them to the local servers. This is the today's outline. And then just the previously mentioned, IIoT encountered a big problem is that how to manage multiple devices for IT people. That is the point that the QRM Plus can solve this. So for the IT people, they will have some problems how to monitor their machine status immediately when they are not beside the device. So I will introduce how to use our QRM Plus to solve these problems. Okay, so going to today's topic, quickly to review for some marketing comparison analysis. QNAP provides a new products like the QRM Plus. They enable users to easy to know how to convenience to operations interface for the users to quickly manage their IT infrastructures and then provide the user private control centers. So for the security issues, users do not worry about this. They're very safety and very for user easy to use. QRM Plus solve your requirement of the managed device. So just like in the pictures, we can see there are four different functions for the QRM Plus. User can very easy to remote their device, like the CPU usage, memory usage, hardware usage, network usage, and also you can use your data collections and analysis for correct your problems. Also, you can do some root cause analysis, some problem analysis, or a crash recovery, and also the on-site maintenance. You can very easy to prevent maintenance and also the requirements improvements. These all the requirements of the manages your device. So QRM can provide you convenient ways to solve your problems. So I will briefly to introduce what is the QRM Plus. The QRM Plus provides the operators controls their multiple cloud and device. So in this framework, we can very easy to know that the IT managers, they can use their device, also their PC to control their device from using Internet, Ethernet, or I/O to control their door lock, temperatures, sensors, or other humidity sensors, and even the cameras. And also can to control their virtualization machines in their car. So this is also for IT people to control their device. And what is the centralized management QRM Plus? So QRM Plus support to monitor the equipment of the various different system platforms like the Windows, Linux, even the IBM. Thus, the IT people can very easy to use their QRM Plus to simplify the workflow and quickly to do some troubleshooting. So if your device are using the Windows servers or the Linux servers, then you have to remember to install the QRM engine first. They can very easy to connect your data to your QRM Plus. They can to controls your device status, and then use your smartphone to control all your device status, like the sensor status or the CPU memory status. And QRM Plus also simplifies your device management workflow. So in this workflow, you can see there are 5 steps. User can very easy to use our QRM Plus in their TANK-870 by adapt their device to your TANK-870 and then to continue to monitor your data collections, dashboard, or also the network temperatures, and also do some troubleshooting, web-based remote access, and then you can also to do some historic data analysis. And the final, you can also to create some issue preventions or also the alerts and the notification. So this will workflow for QRM Plus provide for you to easy to control your device. And also QRM Plus manages of different equipment, including the Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, and also the IPMI servers. So for user, you can to reference to list the different platforms that you can to install there in your device. Lightweight agents, QRM agents. It can very easy for you to provide the convenience and the security for automatically deployments for remote configurations. So remember, if you are using for the Windows or the Linux system, then you have to install the QRM agent first to monitor and then controls all the devices with these QRM agents. And this page is talking about what is the support variants of the QRM agents, including the x86, Windows, Linux, and also the different support various platforms. So you can reference for this table for install your QRM agents versions. And then I will briefly to introduce how to use the QRM Plus with the IEI TANK-870 to users, and you can very easy to know how to use this workflow by yourself. And the TANK-870 solves the deployment requirements of your terminal equipment. So in these pictures, you can very easy to know that the centralized management, including the TANK-870, the user install the QRM Plus in this device, and then use your QRM Plus mobile app to control your terminal equipment, including the Windows, Linux, or the industry panel PC, and also the cloud VM. All these terminal or the virtual equipment can be easy to control by use your TANK-870. And then what is the TANK-870? TANK-870 is an industry computer used for the factory automation that can be considered as a first-level gateway, which can be collect the equipment data and then transfer all the information to your local service to the internet for the future data management. Just like with some panel PC or PLC or other sensors, it can be very easy to connect to a TANK-870 and then collect this data by using the QRM Plus to monitor. And the TANK-870 is an industry computer used for the factory automations. So it supports for the I/O outputs and then can very easy to connect to various automatic control device and support with using the Intel CPU. And advantages of using QRM Plus and then TANK-870 with using this QRM Plus, the user can easy to reduce their risk of the power support, and also can very quickly to do some real time to monitor their device status and quickly to do some troubleshooting by using QRM Plus with the TANK-870. So it can vary for user convenience ways to reduce their risk. And QRM Mobile provide the user a another easy way to monitor their network device and using your mobile device. You can install your device that you want to control to our QRM mobile app, and then to use the mobile app dashboard to view all the status, including the power status or the network status. It can be easy to show in this page. And finally, I will going to introduce how to use the QRM Plus and the TANK-870 as the gateway to collect and device data and send them to the local servers for you. So first step, install your QRM Plus in the TANK-870 or the other industry computers, or also the QNAP NAS. You can be easy to install the QRM Plus in it. And then step 2, you can to scan a specific IP range and then adapt your device to our QRM Plus, which you want to control the device. Then you can to adapt in this. And step 3, managers install the QRM agent to your device first, and then you can be easy to do some overview your device status in the dashboard page. And then the QRM Plus launch a remote desktop, so you can very easy to set the appropriate remote access methods according to the different device type by using the Windows RDP or VNC, and use the Linux device VNC or SSH, and even though the IPMI device by using the KVM over the IP. So with these ways, you can very easy to remote your desktop by using the QRM Plus. And then for the security check, a security check Windows will pop up. So if you want to log into your another desktop, then you must have to confirm your username and password first. So you can be careful for your security check. And step 4, managers also can to install the QRM Plus mobile and then adapt their NAS to the monitors your device immediately. So you can very easy to control your old device from this device page that you want to check. So you can very easy to adapt that in your NAS. Then you can check it by manage your device. And the QRM Plus requirements for the x86 and also ARM16 and for remember required a minimum of the 4 GB RAM and also the QTS over the 4.3.0 liters. And the QRM Plus centralized management solutions provide the user a very easy solutions for you to control your machines immediately by using your smartphones. So for the IT people, they can very easy to control their device even though they are not beside their machinery or the other factories. So QRM Plus with the IEI TANK-870 provide you a quickly solution. This is today's presentation. So if you have any other questions, you can scan the QR code to get more information. Thank you.